Hey everyone, welcome to Stephanie Reacts to Game of Thrones. Well, this is Game of Thrones Season 5, Episode 4. Sons of the Harpy. Right, Sons of the Harpy. There's different ways this could be. It says about Harpies is like monsters thing, big wings they have. Big talon claws. They're like funky wee hairstyle things at the top. They're really cool. That's kind of like a harpy. It's a harpy monster. Or it's a harpy like a person. It's because he's screaming. That's like a banshee. Harpy like a person. Be raging with people like that. Like, oh, she's a harpy. Keep away from her. She's angry a lot. So it's something like that. I don't know. Well, let's jump into it and see what the Sons of the Harpy is about. Water. Maybe Arya, maybe? That's where she was, by that black and white house. The water bit is. Whoa! What was that? Right. Oof. That's how he stole. What's his face? Kidnapped him. Tyrant Lannister. Kidnapped. Tyrant Lannister. Getting him back to the Queen. Mum is your bodyguard, your pal. Should be watching after you. Oh my word.
That still doesn't explain what you're doing here.
Because the Queen sent him. He's his girlfriend.
Has to be me.
His lover.
If I'm putting
You've already
something
given us too much.
Alright, kill him.
No, we must arrange better terms with the Iron Bank.
Absolutely.
In person.
Alright, kill him.
Me?
We must send an envoy to the Iron Bank, someone of importance, to show these bankers our respect. As the King's Master of Coin, I can think of no one more qualified.
I will be honoured,
Aye.
Your Grace.
The King's expressed concern about his father-in-law's safety on this voyage. He's ordered Cimmerian to personally lead your escort.
You're gonna die. He's gonna kill you.
I
He
am
is.
King's Guard. Please express
Safe
my...
travels, Lord Tyrell.
Of course, of course. I'll give your
He's
regards
gonna kill you.
to the Titan of Bravos.
You've got a new old guy to take your place. Him. So you're gonna die.
The small council grows smaller and smaller.
Not small enough.
Right, and you're gonna die too, Harry. She just wants her to be the council.
May I offer you some wine, Your Holiness?
No.
The old High Septon would have asked the vintage.
I could say that our minds are temples to the seven and should be kept pure.
Right.
Truth is,
And you're that skeptic little guy, but that's...
how may I serve?
All over Westeros we hear of septs being burned,
Ah, it's this.
silent sisters raped, bodies of holy men piled in the streets.
Wars teach people to obey the sword, not the gods.
Perhaps the gods need a sword of their own.
Maybe.
In the days before the Targaryens,
Lightning
the faith
bolts.
militant dispensed the
Zeus.
justice of the seven.
Well, the faith militant was disarmed more than 2 centuries ago.
If I explain their holy purpose to my son, the king, I have no doubt he will sign a decree arming the believers you felt worthy.
An army that defends the bodies and souls of the common people.
An army in service to the gods themselves. And to you, of course,
That
the
should
chosen
protect them.
representative of the seven.
An honor
Nice.
I never expected, or indeed ever wished for.
Which is why
You
you've
taking it?
chosen. You and I both know how the world works.
No, you're
Too
too
often the wicked are the wealthiest, beyond the reach of justice.
You're the
King
wicked one.
himself
You're the
cannot always
wicked queen.
punish those who deserve it most.
All sinners are equal before the gods.
What would you say if I told you of a great sinner in our very midst, shielded by gold and privilege?
Yeah.
May the Father judge him justly.
Is there some Jamie come back? Fine. You said it was a fire, maybe? You're right. Ooh, let me just get a knife through their feet. Youse.
Help me! Help me!
What is just Westeros then? Fighting and shagging, he says. Oh! Kill them.
We'll find another way.
So you find another way? She should be killed or burnt as a bitch.
You'll march on Winterfell soon.
We must,
Are they?
to beat the snows.
Once before you put your faith in Sir Devos and left me
Beat
behind.
the snows. Who is man? John.
I hope you
There
won't
are no
make
any
that
other
mistake again.
snows.
I won't.
There's a start.
I need you.
You only need faith, my king. Do you feel my heart beating?
No, that's a boob. No heart.
There's power in you. You resist it, and that's your mistake. Embrace it.
Don't embrace it. It can be dangerous. The Watchman. The Knight of the Watchman.
The Lord of
Well,
Light
anyway.
is male and female. Two parts of a greater whole. In our joining,
Decline her.
power.
You don't need her, John. She's evil.
Power to make life. Power to make light. And power to cast shadows.
I don't think Stannis would like that very much.
You
You
won't?
shouldn't tell him.
I can't.
No.
I swore a vow.
Aye. You don't need 60 vows.
I loved another.
The dead don't need lovers. Only the living.
He said no. You leave him.
I know. But I still love her.
Ah. So you get you stupid bitch. You resisted.
You know nothing, Jon Snow.
From nowhere.
Alright,
Nothing
aye.
to his name. Watching these legendary men tilting at the lists. The last two riders were Barristan Selmy and Rhaegar Targaryen. When Rhaegar won, everyone cheered for their prince. Remember the girls laughing when he took off his helmet and they saw that silver hair. How handsome he
Right.
was.
So,
Until he rode right past his wife, Lady Martell, and all the smiles died.
somebody has to slap
I've
him.
never seen so many people so quiet. He rode past
Bum.
his wife, and he lay a crown of winter roses in Lyanna's lap, blue as frost. How many tens of thousands had to die because Rhaegar chose your aunt?
Yes, he chose her.
Aye.
And then he kidnapped her and raped her.
See?
Come. Let's speak somewhere the dead can't hear us.
But that's a good place we should be. We talk among the dead.
Dressed for riding.
Can't hear the sending back.
Where are you going?
King's Landing.
King's Landing.
Aye.
Cersei sent for me. We mustn't let her sniff out any trouble.
You can't leave me here.
I know how hard it is to live with people you despise, believe me. But it won't be for long.
How do you know?
I know. Is that Garrett?
Stannis Baratheon garrisons at Castle Black. He'll march south to King's Landing before the winter snows block his way. But first, he has to take Winterfell.
You don't know that.
I do. If he liberates
dear.
these lands from the Boltons, he'll rally your father's bannermen to his cause, with the North behind him. Stannis can finally take the Iron Throne.
You think we'll defeat
You'll
the
come
Boltons?
get
He has a larger army. He's a...
Snake.
2 nights
Yup.
off to rescue a princess. Sounds like a good song to me.
Sounds like all the rest.
What
Hey.
about you?
You can
What
snake.
shit way would you choose?
In my own keep, drinking my own wine, watching my sons grovel for my fortune.
How disappointing. I thought you'd have something more exciting planned.
Maybe.
I've had an exciting life.
Clankytown claiming he had information to send. He told me he smuggled Jaime Lannister into Dorne.
He's come from Marcella. If he gets to her before we do, we lose our only chance for revenge.
Oh.
You must choose.
So you did grass then.
Doran's way and peace, or my way and war.
Peace.
I'm with you, always.
Nim?
Peace.
Obara?
When I was a child, Oberyn came to take me to court. I'd never seen this man, and yet he called himself my father. My mother wept, said
Right.
I was too young, and a girl. Oberyn tossed his spear at my feet and said, "Girl or boy, we fight our battles. But the gods
Right.
let us choose our weapons."
She did
My
fight.
father pointed to the spear, and then to my mother's tears.
Get kill that boy. Oh!
I made my choice long ago.
Says we get some grassing. Singing. Do, 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 do. Hello.
Thank you.
So,
Who are you?
Your captor.
Do you have wine?
No,
Can't sleep without wine.
then stay awake.
I don't know. Stay wait till you get to King's Landing, maybe.
You're going the wrong way. My sister's in Westeros. Westeros is west. We're heading east.
I'm not taking you to your sister.
Who are you taking him to
You
then?
said you were taking me to the Queen.
I am. Queen Daenerys Targaryen. She's the
Alright.
queen I serve.
Why then?
What a
I thought it
waste
was
of a
Cersei.
good kidnapping. So happens I was heading there myself.
What business would you have with a queen?
Gold and glory. Oh, and hate. If you'd ever met my sister, you'd understand. So, now that it's clear we are on the same side,
Set him free. not trusting you.
A high-born knight from the north of Westeros, down on his luck in Essos. Dragon epaulets, bare sigil breastplate.
From Hisdar Zolorak.
I think I can protect me from Hisdar Zolorak. Go, Sir Barristan. Sing a song for me.
Your Grace.
Yeah, I'll show you a song for her.
All men must die, but not all can die in glory.
Glory.
Why else do men fight?
Right,
Why did your ancestors cross the narrow sea and conquer the 7 kingdoms? So their names would live on. Those who find victory in the fighting pits will never become kings, but their names.
She's probably bored with confessions every couple of days or every hours.
Is that what you used to tell men before you set them to butchering each other for sport?
Your Grace, today is the traditional start of the fighting season.
I do not recognize this tradition.
Traditions are the only thing.
Oh my god. I wonder if you'll make it or not. That's it there. Alright, come on. Kill the lower guys, maybe. Don't kill the other guys. Fuck guys. Alright, he's gonna die. I see all guy die. Oh! Come on, you're doing good. You're clean out. Reward you for this. Where are these people? Oh. Oh my god, you will die. Oh! Good. Woo! You just probably wiped it, didn't you? Oh my word. Well, that was Sons of Harpies. Still didn't know what the Harpies were. Or was it maybe the place they were in? I just thought Harpies, Sons of Harpies was maybe a person or that, or a bunch of people, like Harpy people. I don't know, never showed you, eh? So, I'm kind of confused with this bit, what the Sons of Harpies was then. That was them at the very end with the golden masks on their face, maybe. But, well everyone, this was a good episode, it was. Mostly it was anyway, but well everyone, thanks for watching us, and I'll see you next time for Kill the Boy. Until then, have a great week. Bye.